Character.ai old version. So here's how to get it. At least it's possible now. So you need to go to your browser, either Safari or Chrome, and you need to go to Character.ai in your browser. So just tap in there, and then basically from there you have this so where you can just just find it out. And then I would suggest that in your URL what you do, you just go in here and then you just tap old.character.ai. So this is the way basically to get old Character.ai version from here, and then you can just accept, and then that's basically how you get it. So yeah, that's the idea. And then from here you can just log in and then try to log in, and then there's also legacy login where you can try to do it from here. At the moment it's still kind of working, so that works for now. I don't know if it will be disabled in time or anything, but you can try it right now.